Okay, the video that I recorded previously was paused because I kept messing around with this, how to get this to work. So I'm going to show you a complete way of doing it. Yes, I got APRS Droid working with a FT5, Yeasu FT5D. Now, the app, what you're going to do is press the three dots, go down to preference. You're going to go to connections. You're going to see connections and you're going to set it for audio, APRSDRIOD. And then you're going to check these two boxes. This one especially, because that's the headset. What's happening here, I have the phone connected to my Yeasu FT5D via Bluetooth. That's all you have to do on this app. On the Yeasu, I'm going to have to do a more complete way to show you. You go to press functions, that's the menu button. Hold it down. You're going to go to options. I already paired this with my phone. Actually, I did something wrong here. I'm going to have to go back. Okay, here it is. So you hit options, and you're going to go to Bluetooth devices. Now, as you see, I already have it connected. So I'm not going to disconnect it. What you're going to do, you're going to press the left and connect it. After you pair your phone, you're going to see it's going to display the radio name. Hit back. Back again. Then you go to APRS. You're going to go to menu 8. And you're going to shut off the APRS mute function. This will allow the APRS audio to go through the Bluetooth headset speaker going out the output. So this is what you're doing here. So I hit it twice, go to the main menu. Then I'm going to go to transmit receive. Let's see if I can get it. Then you're going to go to menu 3, highlighted red, audio. Go to the mute on menu 2. You're going to shut this off. This is to allow you to transmit audio out to the phone. This way the APRSDRIOD will recognize will hear the audio. And this is all you have to do on the handheld after you paired it. Then you just set it down. And you can see when this is transmit, it's going to receive. I'm going to go here. Wait, let me go. And you can see the raw data come out. What I like about doing it this way from the B bank, you notice how I have the phone with the complete data coming out. Now you're going to see that coming down. Do the stop tracking. Then I hit it again. It's going to reset. Now watch, as soon as the radio receives APRSDRIOD will receive it and display the raw data. And you could get it working. I was so shocked. You can also transmit with this. Okay, it's gonna do, come on. I have a DigiRepeater, Columbia University, close to my neighborhood here, and I do get a solid connection to it. Okay, it's transmitting. My phone just still transmitting the data that went out. It's gone out from, I'm trying to get the weather forecast. Give me a minute, let me see. No, I think that's just my transmitted the location. I'm gonna have to turn off that beacon feature off. That's the phone doing it. The APRS app. It just transmits, and you can see it works perfect. What you have to do, you're using the APRSDRIOD Bluetooth feature for the headset, and it's using the radio, and it works perfect. I thank you, Lord Jesus, for giving me the wisdom to deal with this technology and use it the correct way. So yes, you can use a FT5D radio, and what I like about this handheld, this little guy could take a beating. I mean, I take it outside, got it, and it's soaked, rain. It has gaskets on the side. I mean, this guy, I mean, it's made for the outdoors, and it's kind of heavy for its little size. And I like this little guy. See, it just got information, and look what I got here from one of the local dig repeaters. Gets me the information, and then if I want to display these, and I could check the features. See, I could check all of this coming through the radio, and if I want to reply back, this phone is connected to the internet, so it's going to show the map. Watch. Oh no, this phone is not connected to the internet. I just take that back. This is my this is a Caddis 60 phone that I use to check my circuit breakers, because the phone does have a thermal imaging camera in the back. So I am so happy to find this out.